Hello, girls. Good morning. And today we discuss about the classification of markets. आज हम बाजार के वर्गीकरण का डिस्कशन करेंगे. A market can be of a different types. Moreover, the distinction between different markets can also be made in different ways. This distinction can be drawn according to the different criteria. Here, we shall mention four different criteria of classification of markets as given. First, classification according to nature of commodity. यानी पहला जो हम क्लासिफिकेशन करेंगे वो कमोडिटी के नेचर के अकॉर्डिंग टू उसका क्लासिफिकेशन करेंगे. वन क्लासिफिकेशन of markets may be according to the type about commodity or services being sold in the market. For example, we talk of the commodity market, the labor market. Any type of commodity which we are selling in the market, we discuss about that जैसे commodity market और labor market जिसको factor market बोलते हैं. And we also talk the markets for the specific commodities. For example, fish market, cloth markets, etc. In product or commodity market, sale and purchase of goods take place. In money market, lending and borrowing of money is done, and long-term money market is called the capital market. And now we discuss the second classification. Classification according to the geographical extent of markets. यानी भौगोलिक क्षेत्र के आधार पर हम बाजार का वर्गीकरण करेंगे. We have seen that what we call a market in business economics may or may not have a geographical location, but there can certainly be a classification of markets according to the geographical extents of the market. Classification depending on how far and wide the purchasers and scattered. On this criterion, we can think of at least three types of market. Number one, local market. Number two, national market. Number three, world markets. In cases where the commodities is sold in the vicinity of the place of production, the market is local, and it is sold all over the country, the market is national. And if commodity is also exported abroad, the market is called international market or the world market. And third classification, time element in morphology of markets. The discussion of the price determination is often carried out in business economics in the perspective of different time periods according to the criterion. We can distinguish between the following types of market. Very short period market. Usually this refers to the very short time period of any particular day or moment. Supply cannot fluctuate within such a short period. Price changes according to the changes in demand. Number two, short period market. A short period market has a time span of 1 year or a few months. Both demand and supply play a role in price determination in such markets. However, supply can fluctuate only within the limits of the productive capacity. productive capacity of the existing firms in the markets. The time required for setting up new factories is not allowed in such market. Okay, girls.